And then there was a question from GD. Are almost all drones single use, or is there drones you can reuse?
Sure, of course. I mean, they're called bomber drones. Yeah. So there's okay.
Talk
So you
about it.
F.
Like a lot of
Yeah.
people
Okay.
don't know what that means.
Yeah. Sure. 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 Okay. So you've got FPV kamikaze drones. Yeah. They carry a munition, a grenade, a RPG-7, whatever it is, and impact um, the vehicle, the orc, the blendage, whatever that is. Okay, those are not reusable, right? But then you can have, first of all, there's reconnaissance drones, which should be reusable per mission. So that might be like your. Unfortunately, nothing has been found to replace the Mavic effectively, or the DJI, I should say, effectively, in terms of close range reconnaissance. Within a couple hundred meters of infantry, for example. Um, and those, you want to get a lot of missions out of those because they're really expensive. And so we spend a lot of time, Frankensteining those things back to life because they get shot at, they crash, the battery runs out, the ice freezes on them, all kinds of things. And then you have bomber drones. Okay, so bomber drones have some sort of a drop mechanism. Um, this is what Amazon wanted to use when they were like, we're going to use drones for logistics. That's essentially what we're doing. And bomber drones can drop munitions, things that explode. They can also, and this you were talking, Georgia, you were talking about drones being used for logistics, and that's exactly what a lot of these drones are being used for. Just water. When the front lines are so squiggly all over the place, right? And so um, it's you can't get to the soldiers get isolated out there for days, months even, and the only way to get to them without having 5 vehicles blown up, which happens, the only way to get to them is by drone and delivering like water and food to these people, to these soldiers out there.
Yeah, I try to talk about it a lot. It's always like me fighting against the people that are following lines on the map, just
Yeah.
trying to explain to everyone that it's like the fact that you see here red, here not red, doesn't mean that
Mm.
Russians
Not
are not
anymore.
here and that Ukrainians are not there. It's
Not anymore.
all, yeah.
There was a group I saw yesterday, a group of Russians in a vehicle that got to the outskirts of Dobropilia. Yeah, and they died obviously, but so they just were just like hell bent for leather all the way, and it was unexpected, but it happens.